Hey, hi, this is Srikanth Vadachari, founder and CEO of ReformSoil. Here we are at the Food Day Fair Business to Business Expo, Food Expo 2026. So, I am a founder for ReformSoil. So, what we are doing exactly is a sugar out of millets using proprietary enzyme technology. Starches are more high in the sugar, so we'll break down into simple sugar. That's what the technology is all about. So, why this right now? Because we know the sugar is problem for everyone. Like it's GI affects every organ out there, diabetics and pre-diabetics and everyone. And sugarcane is not just good for soil as well. It takes 28,000 liters of water for the production. And for the farmers who are marginal can't afford the sugarcane crop. So here we are solving all these three things at one shot with our sweetener, which is a right alternative to the sugar with high nutrition, which is 20x nutritious and honey. You can use it as everyday sweetener. So and this expo is so far has been very fantastic. The clients are real, the deals are real. Thanks for this opportunity.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.